Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what WD-40 can, or cannot do. This headlight was prepared until the last operation, where I applied this lubricant. After we uniform it over the entire surface of the headlight, we will clean it with a degreasing solution and a lot of water to see if it remains at the same clarity. The result will be as expected. The headlight will return to the initial unclear headlight phase. And now I'll show you how to restore clarity to cloudy, yellowed, or discolored headlights using a polymer-based restoration kit. Don't forget, like and subscribe. For a permanent restoration, I used this kit. It contains sandpapers, funnel lid, cup, car plug, 12 volts power adapter, 800 milliliters headlight repair fluid. You can find this product below in the description. Thank you for watching, and do not forget, like and subscribe.